Yeah, that's a great point about Azure. Since you mentioned that, I did AWS CCP, right, and I'm
Mm-hmm.
going through it, and a light bulb's going off. I'm like, it's amazing. I can
Yeah,
see
it is. Mm-hmm.
why people are going to it. But then I start realizing how much of the current infrastructure I'm on is actually on Azure. I'm
Oh
and I'm
yeah.
like, so I need to be doing Azure because I'm using a lot of the tools
Mm-hmm.
already. So then I switched to AZ900, and yeah, sure enough, I'm like, oh shit, like everything
Mm-hmm.
that we're currently doing is
Yeah.
actually a lot of Azure stuff. So
Yep.
so yeah, you're right about that one. I can't argue with that. And another great point you brought up is that Amazon is competing.
Mm-hmm. A lot of stuff
Amazon Prime competes directly
with
with
Netflix.
Netflix, and
And I'm
Netflix is using their product, so they
and
might.
I'm paying you $40 million a month, and you gonna pick a pin? Nah, man, that ain't gonna happen. The same thing, Kroger. There's a lot of grocery stores on AWS, and they buy Whole Foods. They're like,
Whole
nah, man,
Foods.
we ain't doing this. Because
Not
two
only
is
that, but delivery. Like if you're UPS and you want to use cloud, and then you're going to compete directly with Amazon's shipment company.
I did a video 2 years ago. People don't know how many businesses Amazon owns behind the scenes, man. People don't even realize
They're
that.
on a whole nother
Yeah.
level. It's mind blowing
And,
how
and
successful that
yeah,
company is.
and I'm just gonna throw this out. I did the thing is they have their own containers and they're buying ships. I think they're really about to skip shipping and set up their own shipping port in a little bit.
They're trying to go to
They, they,
space.
they got their
See how
own
that works out.
planes. They got their own planes for delivery for high value items, right? If it's Christmas, it's
Yes.
Elmo. I ain't got time to wait, 4 months for it to come on ships. That's a high dollar. So I'm gonna put it on one of our planes. I done bought Amazon got the fleet of delivery out there already. So
Right.
I think they're gonna do their own shipping port in a minute. So
I could see that happening. So